Every day, life begins fresh in our homes. But under the surface, something unseen works silently. Your septic tank. A septic tank is nothing new. In fact, the idea of treating waste underground is more than 150 years old. The very first septic tank was built in France in 1860 by Jean Mouras. But here in India, our ancestors too had their own ways. Soak pits, open drains, even cow dung pits. They worked back then. But with today's soaps, detergents and modern flush toilets, those methods just don't fit anymore. So what really happens inside our septic tank? Every flush sends wastewater down. The heavy solids sink to the bottom, forming thick black sludge. Oils and grease float up, creating a smelly scum, and the clearer water in between moves out to the drain field. But over time, sludge builds up, and that means bad odour, blockages, overflow, and big cleaning bills. Did you know? India generates 1.4 crore tons of septic sludge every year. That's equal to the weight of 14 lakh elephants. And cleaning all that needs tankers, fuel, and heavy costs. But imagine if just one small pouch could make this entire system healthy again. That's Bioclean Septic. Packed with specially selected natural microbes, degrades sludge, reduces odour by attacking at the source, no need for breaks into water and gas. In fact, Bioclean Septic has already treated over 431 billion litres of wastewater to date. That's equal to 50 Olympic-sized swimming pools. And it's simple. Just flush one pouch a month. No pumping, no odour, no overflow. Safe for your family, good for your septic tank, and saves thousands of rupees every year. So the next time you step into your toilet, remember, there's a hidden tank beneath your home. Keep it alive with Bioclean Septic. Bioclean Septic. Odour ka, game over. A clean home starts with a healthy septic tank.